Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pink Hub Podcast. I am Henry, and I'm so happy you chose to spend your time with me today. Whether you are drinking your morning coffee, driving to work, or just relaxing at home, this episode is for you. Today, we have a very special challenge. We know that English can be tricky. Sometimes, two words sound exactly the same, but they have completely different meanings. This can be confusing, right? Well, today we are going to train your ears. We will listen to a story, and I want you to focus on the context, the situation, to understand the meaning. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Imagine this story. My friend Mark called me yesterday. He said, "Henry, you look amazing in your new photo. You have such good luck with finding great clothes." Did you hear that? Look and luck. They sound similar, but they're different. Look is about what you see with your eyes. Luck is about good fortune. Mark and I decided to meet at the park. I asked him, "Where were you yesterday?" And he said, "We were at the beach." Again, two tricky words where asking about a place and were the past of our. When we reached the park, the sun was very hot. Mark was wearing a big hat. I said, "Mark, why are you wearing a hat? It's too hot." He laughed and said, "I don't want to burn my skin." We found a nice seat under a big tree. We decided to sit there for 3 hours. Listen carefully, seat the chair, and sit the action. And also, tree, the plant, and 3, the number. You see, context is your best friend. Let's stop for a second and analyze. Why is context important? Because in real English, we don't always hear every letter. We listen for the big picture. If I say, "I ate a piece of cake in peace," you know that the first piece is a part of the cake, and the second piece means it was quiet and calm. You can't eat a quite of cake, right? This is how native speakers understand each other. They don't jump to the dictionary. They listen to the whole sentence. Back to the story. Mark told me some great news. He found a new job. He said, "Henry, the office is very far from my house, but I have to manage 4 different teams. 4 for distance, and 4 for the number." He was worried because he has to walk to the office every day, but he loves his work. Walk, moving your feet, and work your job. I told him, "Mark, don't worry. You will fit in perfectly. Just keep your feet on the ground." Fit, to be suitable, and feet, the part of your body. Suddenly, Mark's phone rang. It was his wife. She was at the store. She said, "Mark, should I buy the blue shirt? It's by the door. Buy to pay money and buy next to." Isn't it amazing how many twins we have in English? Now it's your turn. I will say a sentence, and I want you to guess which word I am using. I will give you a few seconds to think. Sentence number 1. I need to break the old car brake. The first one is break, to shatter, and the second is brake, to stop the car. Sentence number 2. The sun is shining on my son. The first is the sun in the sky, and the second is son, my child. Sentence number 3. I can't hear you from here. The first is her, with your ears, and the second is here, in this place. How'd you do? If you got them all right, you're doing a fantastic job. The key takeaway today, everyone, is don't stress. Even native speakers sometimes confuse these words in writing, but in speaking, the context always saves us. Building your listening skills takes time. It's like a muscle. You need to train it every day. Try to listen to this podcast episode again, but this time, close your eyes and just listen to the sounds. Thank you so much for joining me at the Pink Hub. If this episode helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps me create more content for you. I have a question for you. What is the most confusing word in English for you? Write it in the comments, and maybe I will talk about it in the next episode. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every small step leads to big results. I'm Henry, and I'll see you very soon in a new episode. Happy learning. Bye for now.